how to draw a given shape. A triangle can be constructed only when we can draw a triangle when the sum of two small sides is bigger than the measure of the longest side. Measure of two sides and angles formed by them is given. Measure of one side and angle on both its ends are given. When the base of a triangle, any one angle on the base and sum of the remaining two sides given. When the base of a triangle, any one angle on the base and the difference between the remaining two sides is given. Then when perimeter of a triangle and both angle on the base are given. When this 6 points we know, then only we can draw a triangle. If from 6 point any point is missing, we cannot draw a triangle. Now, a parallelogram can be constructed when its two diagonals and angle between them is given. How to construct a parallelogram? Now, trapezium can be constructed when two adjacent sides, angles formed by them and parallel sides are given. When we can draw a trapezium. Area of two triangles formed on one base and between the same two parallel lines is equal. If a base is same and two parallel lines, then they are equal. Angles formed at the center by each side of polygon of n side will be 360 upon n. How many sides we don't know? You put the value of n, as we know if 6 sides you are drawing, you put 6, then divide it, then 60 degree. That means one angle should be of 60 degree. Then we can draw a 6 sides polygon. We will see this, we will draw this also. A regular polygon inscribed in a circle and circumscribed around a circle can be constructed. We can draw a regular polygon. In circle and out circle we can draw a circle. Is it clear? Now we will see exercise 13.1. The first question, construct triangle by given measure of these sides and angles. Serial number, triangle, given measure, it is given. The first, that is triangle DEF. DE is 4.5 cm, EF is 5.5 cm and DF is 4 cm. With this three measure we have to draw a triangle DEF. How? We will see. The measures are given. First, DE of 4.5 cm. Draw a line DE of 4.5 cm. Name it DE and write measure 4.5 cm. Then what is the measure given after DE? EF 5.5. At the side you measure 5.5. You know in class 6, 7, 8 you have learned 5.5. You measure it and take your rounder and measure it. How much? That is EF 5.5. E and F. Then what it is there? E. From E you put your rounder and cut an arc of 5.5 cm. Then what is the next measure? DF 4 cm. Again you in the rough you measure 4 cm. What is the line? DF. What it is there? D. F is not there. From D you cut an arc. Where both the arc will intersect, you name it F. Then join EF and DF. Now EF, how much it is? 5.5 cm. DF 4 cm. Now the step of construction. I am dictating the step of construction. You will get the PDF. Draw a line segment DE of 4.5 cm. Take an arc of 5.5 cm from point E. Next, take an arc of 4 cm from point what? from point D. Then both the arc will intersect at a point, name it point F. Join FD and FE. Thus your triangle DEF is formed. Is it clear? The second question, triangle PQR, angle Q equal 30, angle R equal 30 degree, QR equal 4.7 centimeter. The same you have to draw a line segment QR of 4.7 centimeter. Draw a line segment of 4.7. Now from name it QR and write 4.7 centimeter. From Q and QR point R, you have to draw an angle of 30 degree. Draw an angle of 30 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30. With the protector you have drawn, with the rounder also you know how to draw a 30 degree. Take any arc, cut an arc. From that point again you cut an arc, then bisect this two arc because this is 60 degree. Now you bisect this two arc. Where that point you get, you join with that arc. If you want to check and measure, you measure it. See, it is 30 degree. So you have to write over here 30 degree. R 30 degree and this name it PQR. The step of construction, draw a line segment QR of 4.7 centimeter. From point Q draw an angle of 30. From point R draw an angle of 30 degree. Both angle will meet at a point, name it point P. Thus triangle PQR obtained. Is it clear? The next question, triangle ABC, angle B equals 60. BC is 5 centimeter, AB plus AC equal 8 centimeter. See it very carefully because this type of question 2-3 more are there. First, what is the line given? BC 5 centimeter. Draw a line BC of 5 centimeter. Name it BC 5 centimeter. From point B, draw an angle of 60 degree. With the rounder you know how to draw 60 degree. Cut an arc. From this point again you cut an arc. Then take it this point and you join and extend it. This is how much? 60 degree. Is it clear? Now what is the measure given next? AB plus AC equal 8. You take an arc of 8 centimeter. You take an arc of 8 centimeter. From point B you cut an arc on the angle what you have taken and name it X and name it point D. Name it point D. Then join C D. Then point join CD. Then you bisect DC. You know how to bisect a line segment. DC more than half of the line CD. Cut an arc on both sides. Join this intersecting line. Join this intersecting line. Where the bisector intersect the line BD, name it point A. Join AC. Join AC. Now what was the question? AB plus AC equal 8 centimeter. You measure AB. How much measure it is coming? AB? AB is coming 3.5. You write AB equal 3.5 centimeter. Now next is AC. AC how much it is coming? You measure over here. It is coming 4.5 centimeter. What is AC equal 4.5 centimeter. Now what was the question given? AB plus AC. AB how much you got? 3.5 plus AC how much you got? 4.5. You add 5 plus 5 is 10. Then decimal. Then 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8.0 centimeter. That means it is 8 centimeter. AB plus AC 8 centimeter. AB plus AC 8 centimeter. So you can write over here AC how much you got? 4.5 centimeter and AB it is 3.5 centimeter. Is it clear? The step of construction will be given to you by PDF.